Welcome to Maroon Talk, the only segment dedicated for anything and everything UP Fighting Maroons. I'm Fim Moran, batch 2010 from UP Los Baños.
Enzo Regondola, batch 2010, UP Diliman.
Hello,
Yo!
sir. Ito na naman tayo. Muli.
Kumusta? Dito na tayo sa days after ng anniversary ng Maroon Talk.
Oo nga. Oo nga. Kung isipin mo, Zo, kung isipin mo, it is already our 5th season
Oo nga eh.
covering the UAP, the UP Fighting Maroons. Akalain mo yun. From season 82 all the way to now, season 87. Ganun lang.
Walang 83. Kaya 5th pa lang.
Fifth. Mula 2019. 2019, di ba? And yung mga nandyan pa rin. Salamat po.
Thank you, guys.
Here we go again. And dahil dyan, alam ang pag-usapan natin ngayon. Dahil opening weekend na po this weekend for the UAP 87. Here we are with our preseason episodes, as you all know. Bago lahat, pag-usapan natin ang schedule for the first round. No? So actually ako, siguro mga 2 seasons ago or last season ko lang nalaman na may format pala yung first round schedule. Alam mo ba yun? Aware ka ba dun?
Parang aware ako na laging yung last game, yung 1 and 2 nung previous season.
Yun lang ang mo.
Yun lang alam ko.
Okay. Apparently, meron pala yung standings, yung buong standings pala ng end of eliminations ng previous season ang nagdi-dictate kung ano yung round 1 schedule. So kung alam niyo yun ng matagal na, congrats sa inyo. Dun sa mga hindi nakakalam, ito na yung chance nyo. So parang, ayun nga, 1-2 yung huli. Pero sa first day, parang 1-3, 2-4, 3-5, 4-6, 5-8. Kung yung nagkakamali. Ganun yung, ganun yung setup nun. So, kung tutuusin natin, last year tayo ay number 1 at the end of the eliminations. Kaya, kalaban natin ay seed Ateneo sa first game natin. Kung tama yung... third seed pala. Tama ba? Third seed yata.
Third ba sila o fourth? Hindi, kung 1 tayo, 4 sila.
Ganun ba?
Kung 1 tayo, 4 sila. Kasi di ba yung Ateneo UP yung nag-final 4 last year?
Baka 2 tayo, 3 sila. 2 tayo, 4 sila. Di ba? Hindi namin alam. So, hindi may research dito.
Okay.
Baka 1 pa kayo Lasal. Kasi ang kalaban ng Lasal.
1 ba yung Lasal?
Hindi ko alala, di ba?
Kalaban nila...
Kwento ito episode na to.
NU ba yun?
Ang kalaban kasi ng Lasal, NU. Tama, sila yung 4. Hindi. 3 ang NU, 4.
3 sila.
Tama. 2 tayo. 2 tayo. Tama ba?
Yun. 2 ba tayo? O 1?
Anyway.
Basta
ang
ganun.
makalagi lang naman ang upcoming season, no? Okay, so lalagyan yung tawag dito. Tatry kong ilagay dito yung ginawa ni Enzo na na summary for UP for the first round, no? So let's run through it. First game on Saturday. Again, we go up against Ateneo for our first game of season 87.
Ooh.
Up next, the following Saturday sa Araneta ulit versus UE, September 14. Afternoon, September 18, Wednesday, our first weekday game versus NU, Araneta ulit. After that, September 22, FEU, MOA, 4:30 p.m. Then Adamson, September 28, Saturday, MOA ulit. Then Wednesday, October 2, UST, Araneta. Next up is October 6, of course, Lasal, Sunday, MOA. And malamang ito, hiwala yung tickets ito, no? So, sige, so anong napansin mo dito sa nito? Kamusta ang first round schedule natin kung titingnan natin in a nutshell?
doon muna sa parang layout o yung
Sige, yan.
pagkaka-structure ng schedule. Okay siya. I mean, dalawa lang yung Wednesday games natin tapos medyo spaced out naman yung games, 'di
Mhm.
ba? So nakita ko yung full schedule eh. Yung mga game days ngayon, 2 games lang talaga per game day. So
For the seniors.
for the
For the
seniors, for the
seniors. Oh.
seniors. So para siyang
And
yung previous years na yun nga, ganun naman palagi, 'di ba? Tatlo yung game days in a week. Tapos 2 games each lang talaga. Hindi yung parang ginagawa the past ilan ba? 2, 3 seasons na pag Wednesday,
lahat.
3, 4
Mm.
naglalaro, 'di ba?
Totohan.
So okay 'yun, okay 'yun. Doon sa on
Kumbaga,
that point, 'di ba?
yung sinasabi ni Enzo, kumbaga yung nakasanayan natin pre-pandemic na
Oo.
talagang 2 games at most in one game day. And usually,
Mm.
weekends, tigalawa. And other thing na pansin natin dito ngayon sa schedule, at least for the seniors games, no? Mas late na siya magsisimula.
Yun pa, isa pa 'yan.
Maliban dun sa first games sa Sunday, the remaining 3 games, opening 3 games, medyo buong araw siya. But after that, ang nangyayari ay first game for the seniors ay 4:30, then the next game is 6:30, which makes sense if you think about it kasi talagang dati usually yung oras is 2 o'clock, 4
2.
o'clock. Pero hindi naman nag-start ng 2 o'clock or 4 o'clock. No? So talagang tama, 4:30 talaga siya nag-start and 6:30 kung meron man. So yun, again, as we mentioned, hindi lang ang ayun tama nakalagay pala dito. 1-3 yung Lasal Enyo nga. So number 2 tayo sa sa standings last season. Anyway, going back, hindi lang seniors basketball ang mapapanood nyo if you look at the full schedule, no, of at least for the first round. We don't know if it's gonna be the same sa second round, no. But if you see here, the games start off with the juniors, high school, JHS sa alagay. So hindi ko alam kung junior high school to kasi merong junior high school tournament last season, ng season 86. So hindi ko alam kung ito yung juniors boys basketball na tinatawag nila ngayon. So hindi tayo sure dyan. Then followed by the women and then the seniors. Okay, so syempre yung schedule nito, kung sino lang naman yung lalaro for that day, yung din yung maglalaro nung sa juniors as well as sa women's. No? So kung gusto yung magbabad sa Araneta or MOA to watch all games on the game
Mhm.
days for your school, you have the chance to do so. Unlike before na, okay, yung women's, iba yung venue, yung juniors, iba yung venue. Do same day sila naglalaro, iba naman yung lugar, no? So at least, again, going back to the nakasanayan natin nung pre-pandemic, even way, way before, uh, nasa isang venue lahat ng games, at least for the first round, no? So, maganda to kung isipin natin.
Okay yan kasi ngayon, nandiyan yung Pep Squad.
Oo.
Parang ngayon magkakaroon na ng Pep Squad yung parang mas marami, 'di ba?
Kahit yung
Para sa
fans.
women's.
Oo.
Kahit yung fans. Siyempre, gusto rin natin minsan makanood ng women's basketball na kung dati parang gusto mo manood siyempre ng seniors, eh malayo yung women's. Hindi practical na panoorin mo
Yes.
pareho, di ba? Kailangan mo pumili. Ngayon, punta ka lang mas maaga para
Mm.
mapanood mo. Yun lang, ganun lang.
At least hindi ka na babiyahe. Parking mo, andun na.
Oo,
Yun lang,
sulit
tatambay ka lang
na.
doon buo. Kaya lang, ang maganda naman dito, yung Araneta, marami ka na makakainan. MOA, marami ka na makakainan. Mag-IKEA ka muna ang gusto mo habang
Oo,
nag-try ng
kahit mo ng meatballs.
And after, kahit after, malamang gabi na rin matatapos. So, kasi nga, later yung games natin yan for the seniors. Hanggang dinner ka na doon. No? So,
Oo.
malupit tong round 1 schedule, no? So having said that, let's turn our focus again into the UP Fighting Maroons. So, siguro napanood na rin natin ng Phil Oil some games ng preseason kung ano ba yung games na pwede nating abangan dito sa schedule na to. Pero looking at it now, uh, either piling-pili or lahat must watch for this season. That's how I see it. So, kung titingnan mo yung first game, of course, yung Ateneo, syempre, Battle
Mhm.
of Katipunan, nothing much to say there. Tapos, for me ha, yung sa akin personally, yung next kong papanoorin dito na imamarka is the FU game on September 22 sa MOA. Kasi feeling ko, iba na nga ulit yung FU team na to compared to the past two seasons specifically.
Mm.
So may resurgence na tayo napapansin sa kanila. Plus their new recruits.
Improved na eh.
Yes. So posibleng magandang laban yung ibigay sa atin nito. Again, and of course, the last one, Lasal, finals rematch. Nothing else to say there. Sa akin, yun yung top 3 games ko at least na pwedeng markahan dito sa first round schedule na to. If iisipin natin ng gano'n, if pipili lang tayo no ano, ikaw, so, same ba tayo or may iba kang nakikita dyan?
Ako, syempre Ateneo. I mean, palagi naman eh. Pero ngayon kasi parang ito yung tingin ko first time in a while na hindi hindi ganun kalakas yung Ateneo unlike the past seasons. Na
Okay.
parang papasok tayo sa Battle of Katipunan na expecting talagang bakbakan. Ngayon parang for the first time feeling ko nandun tayo sa advantage. Nasa
Okay.
higher ground tayo.
Yes.
So, interesting paano kayo mangyayari dito sa laban na to. Di ba?
At dahil nabanggit mo yan.
Tapos,
Sige, go ahead, go ahead.
sige,
Tuloy mo
go.
muna, tuloy mo muna. Hindi,
Sige.
next naman
Susunod
sabihin mo.
yung,
Hindi, sorry eh. If dahil nabanggit mo na yan,
ah,
mag-add na ako dyan. So, syempre, Ateneo is the Battle of Katipunan. Ang tinitingnan ko lang dito ngayon is that this first game, for me, ako lang to. Hindi ko alam kung same thoughts with the team to. This should be a statement game for us early on. Dahil binanggit na ni Enzo yung mga bagay na yun na yun nga. Well, sinasabi natin to kasi nga based on facts, kung isipin natin, I don't think Ateneo won anything in their preseason. Phil Oil, wala. Pinoy Liga, wala. And ewan ko kung may trips pa sila somewhere. If nanalo sila doon, okay, congrats. But, kita mo eh. Kita mo yung pagkapilay by the departures of their key players. So,
mm,
sa akin, we have to make a statement come September 7 facing Ateneo. Lalo na si Jared Bahay. Hindi na ako mag-expound but then yun yun. For me, if you want to make a good start on this season, we have to make a very impressive win on our first game versus Ateneo on Saturday.
yep,
Yun lang. Yun lang sabihin ko.
agree.
Sige, go ahead, Zo.
Tapos, after ng Ateneo, tinitignan ko rin tingin ko yung UE. Yung UE game, I mean, alam naman natin during the off-season na si Remogat
Yes.
lumipat from UE. So, ano bang anong mangyayari? May hard feelings kaya ang UE against UP, 'di ba? Tulad ng last season with last year ba yun? 2 years ago. Ganun yung parang same feelings sa NU.
Yes.
dati. Yun, parang ganun. So, more of storyline,
Yeah.
ano, 'di ba? Sa storyline ng game na to. So, UE, yun yung next game to watch. And yung, syempre, rounding out the top three for me, yung Lasal game.
Mhm.
Not just because it's a finals rematch, but I think match up to between, objectively, two of the best teams sa UAAP this season.
Yes.
Um, as you know, nung preseason campaign ng Lasal, may kinalaban silang PBA teams tapos nanalo sila.
Mhm. Mhm. Yep.
So, it's no small feat na, alam mo yun, a college team beats a professional team. Um, Siyempre, hindi natin alam kung nagtodo effort ba yung PBA team na kalaban nila. Pero all the same, professional pa rin
Oo,
yun.
hindi naman
Tinalo
papatalo
ng
yun. Oh.
college, di ba? Hindi mo
Yes.
papatalo yun. So,
Yes.
yun. Uh, yun yung top three games for me na must watch. Of course, the others must watch din yan. Pero yun yung para sa akin aabangan ko.
Mhm. Mhm. Tama. So on the flip side, if we disregard what we say, mga pinagsasabi namin ni Enzo, uh, again, posibleng ang must watch talaga lahat na games for the first round. Having said that, if ever we do sweep the first round, para sa akin, that gives us a really good advantage head into the second round. So, kumaga at least if magawa natin yun ng first round, laking advantage dun in terms of the standings
Mm-hmm.
down the stretch, 'di ba? So, yeah, we can say na yung first round is different from the second round, but then again, if at least you do your work early and accomplish those 7 wins right away, uh, and get the twice to beat as soon as you
Yep.
mas ano yun, mas kumaga yung future ano yun, yung future ng team is hawak nila. Kumaga, the old saying, ganyan. No, so yun. Yun ang first round natin. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
then again, if you think about it, UST has been has improved. UE as well. Adamson, natin yung kung gaano ganda yung if ever. Actually, titignan ko ngayon ano, yung standings ng Phil Oil at the end of the eliminations. And nag-final four dito, Pilasal, UE, UST, yun, UST. Pero dikit ang FEU, UST, NU, even Adamson. So, abangan nyo yan sa Final Four episode na pag-usapan natin. Yun yung ano, yun yung, then again, iba yung Phil Oil. Kung isipin mo, Phil Oil was how many months past? June.
Three
June pa to.
months?
June pa tong,
Oh,
ano
mga
eh.
3 months ago.
So, di ba? Ang dami na nangyari nun. May mga nadagdag na players na sa kung saang mang team. So, we can't really bank on the standings of the Phil games. Considering lang na itong pinakamalapit na lineups ng UAAP na nakita natin, at least publicly. So, at least yun yung idea natin. But it can be it can't a direct gauge in terms of dictating what the standings will be here in round 1. Okay? Ano pa bang ano? Of course, syempre, Lasal, magitna ni Enzo. Yes, I would say they did not go all, at least yung Lasal, they did not go all nung Phil Oil. Maybe medyo pa sila nung nag-Japan sila. plus yung sa Davao na yung mga PBA nga sila laban. So, if you think about it, parang yun yung and we haven't faced their lineup ng ganong level yet. Same with us din naman, they haven't faced our lineup on full force with the others. So yeah, again, so much excitement to watch out for, especially in this first round. And the team who gets their chemistry straight, their tawag dito, their gelling effective right away, yung pag-adjust sa ibang teams will always have the better advantage uh, heading into the final stretch of the season. Okay?
Yun.
Yun.
Kaya may advantage talaga yung UP tsaka Lasal kasi yung lineups natin more or less intact from last season eh.
Yep.
'Di ba? So, yun nga. Kasi sa mong chemistry, sinong unang makakuha ng chemistry ng team, malamang Lasal tsaka UP yun.
Mm-hmm.
Kung sinong magwa 1 and 2 sa kanila, hindi natin alam. Basta pareho silang magaling.
Oo, sige. Oo, i-call na natin. At least first round First round lang man lang.
Oo, first round lang naman eh.
Kasi, spoiler natin. Malamang, kasi sa Final Fair episode natin, malamang, ang sure tayo na 1 and 2, sila ng dalawa lang din talaga.
Oo.
Yung 3 and 4 ang medyo magulo talaga. So, ceteris paribus, most likely 1 and 2 UP Lasal. Hindi natin alam kung sino yung 1, hindi natin alam kung sino yung 2. But for sure,
Yep.
sila dalawa yun. Unless, may ma-injured na pet. But despite that, feel ko hindi pa rin. So, yun. Yun lang yun.
Yun.
Again, if you want a copy of the schedule, it's posted on the Maroon Talk Facebook page. You know. Shout out to Enzo as well for creating that summary for the UP Fighting Maroons. If you want to watch the other games, juniors, women's, andito lahat. Okay, so usually ang game days start at 8 a.m. first game. Juniors to, followed by 9:45, tapos 11:30, tapos 1:30, yun yung women's. Tapos again, may break. May break sila after ng women's, no? Kasi iba yung ticket din nun. So, ang next game is 4:30, then the final game 6:30, no? So, maganda kung isang ticket lang yung women's and yung juniors pala, no? If you think about it. Sana nga ganun. And, yun, may time to lunch if you want to, late lunch, if you want to watch the seniors as well for that day. Yes, maganda na binalik nila yung gantong style ng schedule para nga the fans get the chance to watch the other teams play of their school.
Mm-hmm.
So, maayos to. Kasi tayo noon, me, as a player, I never got the chance to play on the same venue as my idols, yung mga seniors. Usually nangyayari na yan kapag finals eh. Pero nung time natin, wala rin. Hindi na tuloy yung ganun. So maganda tong opportunity for the young ones, the women's, and of course, even yung coaches ng to scout yung mga bata as well. Why not, di ba?
Tama.
So magandang venue pa rin to for everyone. So hopefully masustain tong gantong type of schedule on the second round as well as tawag dito, the coming seasons as well. Yun.
Okay.
Bangan. So i-promote natin ang ating Maroon Talk merch. Yo.
Dapat pala sinote natin yun, no?
Antayin nyo. Nakita nyo na tayo. Yung iba na nakita na yan, no? So, meron tayong shirts, guys. And to those who want to order, we'll post a pre-order form siguro sa weekend when the games are starting. So, those who want to order, you guys can put your orders there. If you have questions, lapitin nyo kami kapag games or just message our Facebook page, message me.
Mhm.
Tapos, meron din tayong Maroon Talk stickers. Yo. Okay?
Yun.
If ever makita nyo ba sa games, dadala ko niyan. If you want to ask for stickers, bibigyan ko kayo. Maliit siya. Propose ko rin sa this coming weekend. We're doing this on a Tuesday. May bagyo. Plus, kakalabas lang itong final schedule. Official schedule for round 1.
Oo.
So, we're winging this all on this. Ang dami nangyari yung araw na to, actually. So, thanks,
Ayan,
Enzo.
kakasabi lang nating bumagyo, bumubuhos ang ulan ngayon.
Hopefully, everyone's safe. Sa weekend yata parang wala namang bagyong parating. So, abangan natin. Hopefully, wala namang postponement ng games. And hope everyone stays safe. Okay?
Yun. See
That's
you
it.
sa Saturday, pero wala ako sa game sa Saturday kasi meron akong show sa sa Joe's Big Plate sa Molito,
Saan yan? Saan
Alabang.
yan?
Yun, sa Joe's
Plug
Big
mo na.
Plate, Molito, Alabang. Ang comedy bangers sa Alabangers with Andre and Bernardo. Yan, sa mga bago matulogers dyan.
Yan. Waki
Yan, Wakididu, Splaka Boomers.
Si Andre na
So yun,
headliner.
wala. Si Andre
Siya lang.
headliner. Siya lang.
Okay.
Sa,
Tickets.
may mga kasama din ako. Tickets nandun sa comedymanila.ph
Yep.
sa /shows. Punta lang kayo dun. Magpo-post din ako ng mga stories. Link dun sa tickets, yung poster. So, abangan nyo na lang. Basta, yun. Hindi ako makakanood ng game sa Sabado. Baka mag-live stream lang ako.
Sige.
Baka hindi ko na matapos. Yun.
Manood kayo ng show ni Enzo. Kung kaya niyo manood dun sa same day, sa Sabado, why not? Kung hindi niyo makuha ng ticket sa Sabado, why not? Punta kayo sa Alabang, Mulito. Actually, ako rin hindi ako sure kung makanood doon Sabado. But, manood ako for sure sa TV or kung saan man. Okay?
Oo, yan.
Alright, that's episode
Okay.
1 done for Season 87 nyo. See you on the next one. Peace.